Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally Nothing have started rolling out this stable build of Nothing OS 2.5 based on Android 14 for Nothing Phone 2. In this video we'll talk about all the changes what Nothing OS 2.5 brings on the table for Nothing Phone 2. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my Nothing Phone 2 which I've already updated to the latest build of Nothing OS 2.5. If I show you the software information here, you can see basically this is Nothing OS 2.5.1. If you go to Android version is Android 14 and it still comes with 1st November 2023 security patch instead of December security patch. I received an OTA update because I was already running beta build, and here you can see it says Nothing OS 2.5. These are the change logs and the update size was 210 MB over the beta 2. And now before talking about all the new add-ons, if you guys like our work and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So we'll cover all the changes one by one, and the initial changes are related to customization. So if you go to customization section, now here we have a completely revamped, or you can say redesigned, joint home screen and lock screen page. So from the single page itself you can edit your home screen and lock screen, and the layout now looks pretty well organized unlike before. So if you tap on the lock screen, you also get the option of lock screen widgets which you can set directly from the customization section, and after that you also have an option to add shortcuts. And if you tap on home screen, here we have the option to choose the wallpaper color based theming part along with the basic color options. Under home screen layout we have the similar stuff. Towards the bottom side you can see we also have the wallpaper section. Tapping on more wallpapers, now Nothing have added two new wallpaper effect. One is atmosphere wallpaper effect, and let me show you how does it work. So if I tap on the wallpaper, towards the bottom side you can see there is an option called atmosphere which says atmosphere requires using the same wallpaper to transition seamlessly between lock screen and home screen. And let me show you how does it work. So once I tap on done, here you can see the wallpaper is kind of blurry, and let me show you if I unlock the device or if I show you guys on the lock screen, this is the exact wallpaper. If I unlock the device, you can see that smooth transition between the wallpaper. So this is one effect what they have added, and after that talking about another effect, going to wallpapers, and let's select a different wallpaper. This time I'll select this one, tapping on this tick mark, and here we have the glass effect. This is how it's going to look once you use this effect, and at the same time you guys can choose both the options, which is atmosphere and glass. Tapping on done, let me show you how it will look now. I'll lock the screen, and on the lock screen you can see we have the glass effect. If I unlock the device, you'll see that atmosphere effect. Nothing have also introduced solid color wallpapers which you can see here. Later they have also added a monochrome color option under the basic color section. Here you can see that option. Now moving on to other changes which are related to glyph interface. So here they have done few add-ons. One of them is now they have integrated the glyph progress bar for Google Calendar. So let me open up the Google Calendar application. Here if you set an event, before 5 minutes of your event the countdown will start and you'll see glyph progress bar in action, and it works perfectly fine. Now glyph timer also have the time presets options available by default. For example, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 25 and 60-minute options. Nothing also gave the option to directly access the glyph timer from the lock screen without unlocking the device. So when you tap on the glyph timer, the glyph progress bar will come in action. And previously we had the option to tap and hold to open up the pop-up of glyph timer from the quick setting tiles. Like this is how it used to work, but now Nothing have added the tap option. So once you tap it and flip the device, the glyph timer will automatically start. Later they also added a new animation for NFC if it is being used, and this is how it looks. Few changes are also done in the gesture section. So let's go to settings, gestures. Now you can customize the double press power button option. You can see there are a lot of options in which you can also choose the glyph timer, torch device control, QR code scanner, DND mute, etc. There are also options available to open specific applications for this double press power button option. And the same way they have added more options for the lock screen shortcuts. So if we go back, go to the lock screen section, tapping on lock screen shortcuts, here you can see now we have a lot of options available. You can choose accordingly for the left and right button. We do have the 3-finger gesture for the screenshot option, and now this screenshot UI is also revamped. So let's take a screenshot, and here you can see the completely revamped screenshot UI. Towards the right hand side there are 3 options. The top one, this will let you select the extended screenshot, second option you have to share, and the third one is delete. We also have a new screenshot editor. So let's take a screenshot, tapping on it. Here we have options to choose from, and there are few pre-installed color palettes. You can also hide some information using the mosaic option present here. After that, under more improvements, they have optimized the experience of weather application. It's hard to judge because I was already using beta 2, so I did not see a noticeable change. But if you are coming from Android 13, you might see a noticeable change. After that, they have also changed the visuals of this back gesture, and it matches the Nothing style with this dotted arrow. Previously, if you guys remember, we did not have the option to set separate volume for ringtones and notification, but now you do get that option. So here you can see for ringtone you do have a different volume slider, and for notifications you have different. In the sound and vibration settings also you can see ringing volume and notification volume can be separately set now. Later they say they have improved the stability of camera. That we'll get to know once we start using the device. Right now I did not click any pictures, but wait for an in-depth review. And also if you guys have any kind of questions, let us know in the comment section below. I'll try to take all your questions in the review video. Soon I'll be dropping full in-depth review, so stay tuned for it. Now talking about some of the new widgets, so they have added few new widgets here. Before there were only 17 new widgets, but now you can see there are 20. And one of them is this media player, and this is how it looks. So I'll just allow all the necessary permissions and let me play a music and see now. And this is how music widgets look. Once you tap on it, you get two options: play and pause, nothing else. After that, again under widget section, if you scroll down, there's a new pedometer widget added where you can set your daily goals, like how much steps you walk, and that thing will be shown here. And we have a cool looking preview. And what I feel is as you proceed, the image in this widget will also move accordingly depending on the steps you have taken. So this is another widget what Nothing have added. And the third widget is screen time. So this is again a new widget where you can set the screen time according to the daily limit. And it also says swipe vertically on the widget to access different functions and information. If you swipe up, you can see more info, and the same thing goes here on other two widgets also. Total today's steps are 0. Later it also shows the average, and if you scroll down, you also have the calendar here. And the same thing goes with the music player. On the main screen you can see the thumbnail of song, and towards the bottom side you have the other details like name of the song, singer, etc. Towards the right top corner it shows the app icon from which music is being played. So guys, these are all the changes what Nothing have done with Nothing OS 2.5.1 for Nothing Phone 2. If you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.